Hello. So, surprise, I've given in to the inevitable destiny of all people who work in tech, which is that I've burned out and I've become a carpenter. Um, okay, this isn't strictly true. I'm currently in my dad's workshop because um, I yesterday I bought a table to use as my desk because I've got this general problem where I will get this whole nice office setup going on. I shouldn't be shifting around like that. And I'll get this whole nice office setup going on, and then I will inevitably gravitate to working at the dining room table. It's just a thing that happens to me, and I think part of this is that I like just having the space to spread out, and it's particularly exacerbated by how bad my desk has been so far. I just have like this ridiculous tiny desk that I bought off Wayfair when I had a much smaller space to put it in. And so the thing that's been on my mind is that I've been thinking I should just buy a table and use that as the desk. And yesterday I was looking on eBay at the British Heart Foundation store, and I was seeing lots of nice tables and lots of nice desks, and none of them had any dimensions on them. This is really annoying me because I have a specific space in which I want to put a desk in. An interesting note to self, you can't see me doing my hand gestures when I'm doing a phone video. Anyway, yes. So they had no dimensions, so I couldn't figure out if any of them were right size. So I was just like, okay, fine, I'll look at what the secondhand stores are in the area. I've already been to one. It was quite good. It just doesn't have anything that I particularly need for the desk problem. And I saw that there was one nearish to me, about 20 minutes away, that opened once a month and happened to be open this weekend. And I went to it, and it was an absolute dump. Just horrible array of bric-a-brac and very dead furniture. But I did see this one table there that was just like, it's meant to come with benches, I think. And so it's the sort of table you're imagining if you imagine a table that comes with benches. Like, it's either intended for outside use or is of that ilk. And I was like, okay, I mean, that is exactly the right size and shape, and it is solid wood. And these are essentially my two requirements for what I wanted with this desk slash table. And like, it wasn't very good. But it was a case of like, either buy this table or or go home empty-handed. And so I asked how much the table was, and it was like £20. And I was just like, okay, yeah, for £20 I'll take it, and I will get rid of it if if it's not any good. And got it home, disassembled it to take it upstairs because there's still only one of me, and I can't carry the whole table all the way upstairs. I thought I might be able to, but and when I was loading it into the car, I thought I was able to. I absolutely wouldn't have been able to, but it disassembled fine. And then I got it up, and I was looking at it going, the surface of this table is really sad in a very rescuable way. It clearly needed sanding and oiling. And so I was like, I can't be bothered to do that. I don't want to do that. And I thought about it a bit more, and I was just like, I'm clearly not going to do it if I assemble it. And I am like 10 minutes walk away from a Wix. I could just go buy some sanding paper and oil and some wood oil and get it done. And I sent a message explaining my plight to the family WhatsApp, basically going, stupid parents and their stupid instilling of work ethic and sense of perfectionism to me in me. And just after I bought stuff on Wix, Dad sent me a message saying, David, you're being an idiot. He didn't actually say that. This was the subtext in which me reading between the lines. He was much nicer about this. And it's just like, you're an hour drive from me, and I have this giant fully stocked workshop with belt sander and work benches and stuff. You should just come do it here. You're not going to be able to do this with hand sanding. And he was absolutely correct. It turns out I was just vastly underestimating how much work hand sanding this would be. It would have been a ridiculous task. And B, there was just more stuff to do on it than I was necessarily thinking of. I was like, why don't I just come over tonight? That was yesterday. And now I'm spending the morning sanding a table and getting ready for oiling. And I will just show you the current work in progress quickly. And then I will say goodbye. I don't actually know if that was visible because I had to turn my phone around in order to do that. But if not, I will, or either way, I'll be posting pictures later. So I'll include a link to the thread. Bye for now.